Hi.
Hi guys,
Hi guys.
welcome back to another mukbang.
Yeah. How are you guys?
What's up, you guys? Today, we asked on the Instagram for the whole chicken, but everybody asked to eat a whole chicken or cook. But my husband likes bake the best, and he don't eat all the parts, so we do the bake one. Sorry, guys.
Today is my day. Sorry guys.
Here, and the cooking is also not up to the point today.
Yeah, we just ran out of
Something went wrong today.
ran out of the electricity in the middle of cooking.
Yeah.
So
here is a mashed potato. My husband's.
made by me.
Yeah, he's the best. And here we have some greens.
Greens.
Just lettuce salad with the onion and lemon. That's all.
Okay,
Very
guys,
simple today.
sit down, guys, and let's begin, huh?
Let's eat.
Let's eat. What do we have here, baby? Two ties, two thingies.
Two thighs and this is your
Your
breast
So when I was little, I would make a hole in the middle of the potato
to put the gravy.
to put the gravy. Oh yeah,
Gravy is the best.
gravy is the best.
Gravy is the bomb.
Here, baby.
Here, baby.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And the big chicken is for me again. If you are new to our channel, welcome. And my husband doesn't eat bones.
Only in a case of emergency. We try not to be.
As usual, I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh guys, how was your day? This was raining all day long here.
Yeah.
Instead of snow.
Rain, 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 rain.
Where is the snow when you need it?
Maybe next month.
Maybe.
Okay.
Yummy.
Sorry. How is it, baby?
Chicken is excellent.
A bit spicy?
That's what makes it excellent.
Supposed to marinate the what's that? Chili powder together. But you guys, today my mind is not here.
Well, you still made beautiful dinner, baby. So your mind is here.
Thank you.
It's really tasty. She did it again. Oops, she did it again.
You want to tell them about Tiger Shroff,
Tiger?
the actor?
Yeah, I was just browsing to the internet today and I forgot her name, but doesn't matter. One of the Serbian ladies that was a taekwondo representative of Serbia that just got qualified for the 2020 Olympics. Met with what's the name of the guy?
Tiger Shroff.
Tiger Shroff. They made on a set today.
Bollywood actor.
So apparently, Bollywood movies are made in Serbia now.
A lot of them.
Yeah, apparently that's the deal between our governments. We are like extending the cultural exchange. So they're making Bagi,
something like that. Part 3.
some kind of action movie. Part of it they are recording here.
Filming.
Filming here in Serbia in a couple of cities. Yeah. So they met today and they were like, because I saw it on the video. He's like a very agile. Yeah. So
Very good dancer also, maybe.
So they met together and then she just they posed together in some martial arts shot and stuff like that. So India is closer than we think, huh?
A lot of Bollywood movies are shot here in Europe. Like Bulgaria,
Yeah.
Serbia.
Well, you know what they say? What our friends Chinese say? This is the closest to Europe without visa. So everybody comes here and enjoys. Good. Salad is really yummy. Baby.
Did I make too less?
I just eat a lot.
머럭머럭 짝 짜들쇼 숨 잡으시 하오브네.
Look, I found the one.
Because I cut them, so I didn't want to remove
But now I'm kidding, baby.
Sorry, baby.
Anyway,
Rồi mặc của giặt mất dần cơ. Mất rằng em này mình phạm này gì sao đâu. Miếng bánh này cái gì chép ăn không?
wow.
I'm telling them it's very good to eat mashed potatoes or sometimes without rice.
Well, you know, either you eat mashed potato, either you eat rice.
Or bread.
That's what the doctor would say, yeah?
Oh, I forgot to bring your bread, baby.
No worries, baby. You don't eat bread with a mashed potato. That's what the doctors say.
Later, you're gonna need it. I'll get it for him.
Later. I need to scoop up the gravy.
In our previous two mukbang, we were shouting out and then we were not looking at the camera. Amita Talotali, she pointed it out. So, sorry you guys.
Yeah.
Sometimes eating and just forgot about that. That's not an excuse.
Fair point. It's not an excuse, but
We're not trying to be rude.
no.
Apologize, you guys.
No. And I will take more potato because I'm not rude.
I need the gravy, baby.
You need it?
Not now.
Bam! Look at that deliciousness.
Today our table looks very empty, yeah?
Yeah. This is like how traditional meal.
This missus is not so good today.
Yeah, she is fine.
Give me the skin.
She is most beautiful.
Put everything in your plate.
I will. I wanted to take the skinny and give it to you. This missus is always good.
The
My
weather. I'm
lovely
under
love.
the weather. I'm under the weather.
Well, maybe. But this is... Even with the electricity gone,
Someone is here.
she cooked it beautifully.
Not electricity is gone, but it was too heavy.
Fuse was blown.
Uh-huh.
And it's an old fuse. I mean, well, here they all have these automatic fuses, so they don't sell anymore these ceramical ones. Well,
This is an old building.
Yummy. Guys, this is how one traditional, well, let's say traditional, just conventional lunch in Serbia is like. You have a salad, mashed potato, and meat.
Yeah.
And people usually, if they don't eat meat here, they think they didn't eat. What's the meal without the meat? Yeah. I was reading about this vegan lady today. She was a vegan, someone on Instagram, and for 5 years, and then she's gone completely onto meat and animal product. So everybody was bashing her left and right. But
Yeah. That's funny. But it's real, you know.
listen,
Some
I
people
think,
it's a big deal.
wow, yeah, fair point. I just think that everything should be moderate, you know? Meat should be moderate, and you should be, you know, grateful, not should be like eating anything, but everything should be moderate. Oh, I will.
It's spicy. You know why, you guys? Yesterday when I was cooking the Assamese food, I did not use the whole paste that I used for the pork. So I had that one, and then marination this time as you guys see, it's not perfect, so you don't have to follow the recipe. Or else you can marinate everything one time, yeah, together.
One time.
Make
one
sure.
time.
But if you have rosemary and chicken are like husband and wife.
Match made in heaven.
They are perfect. You happy, honey?
This is beautiful. I'm just slowing down so we can be at the same speed. Otherwise, I would already be gone.
Honey, eat more potato.
I will just give you a little bit more skin, baby. Sorry about that. And chicken into gravy. Oi, hoi, hoi. Oh, where? Come to Papa.
Come to mommy.
Bone out. Go away. That's it. And there. I was watching the Jamie Oliver, yeah? Making this, what's it called? Beef Wellington?
Beef Wellington.
Oh my god. It looks so delicious.
I'm gonna try that, baby, one day.
We're gonna try. And as we are at the Wellington, we just heard the story about this volcano that erupted when the people were there.
Oh yeah, that is so sad.
Wow. They were inside of the, how do you say, the cone of the volcano when it exploded. So like...
They know that that's an active volcano. I don't know why they go there.
Well, I don't know. I mean, it's a touristic attraction, so... Bam! It was like so fast. And so like 30 people is injured. I don't know how many dead. But it's unbelievable. Like,
it was a big one.
everybody is shocked. Wow. Anything can happen, so you have to be careful. And Mother Nature?
That's the one we cannot avoid.
Mother Nature doesn't care if you have appointment tomorrow. When she comes, she comes. We saw that around the world. Wow. So, very sad. I hope the rest of them are gonna be fine. Oh, you want some?
No, I'm good, thanks. I ate a lot.
Mm-hmm.
It's potato, so I'm eating really fast.
Potato, glorious potato.
Random roar.
Okie dokie. Now, you little piece of meat, come here to me. And gravy, gravy. I left you a little bit of gravy, baby.
I'm good.
Yeah? Gravy is delicious, my love.
I always want gravy in here, so I always add like water a little bit.
I have to make it more.
It's not for a restaurant, so it's just for us to eat. We can make it however we want it. Yeah?
Exactly. And
Like the movie Ratatouille said, anybody can cook.
And you can guys make it however you want. That is why her recipes don't have the exact amount
No,
of the things, so you can do it by the feeling.
no measurement.
Yeah, no measurement.
Everything aga-aga. You see, guys? All of you always said you never eat. You finish your food. You finish it, honey.
Today we were hungry. Every day we are hungry when we are making it, but
this is one of our favorite.
I did some Cool.
If it's a meat, it has to be a little bit dry for my husband. Then he's happy.
Yeah.
With stew and watery, he's not very fond of.
I'm very, very picky, you know.
No, you're not, baby. You eat everything I cook.
But
Especially if you eat our fermented ngari and
yeah, but I love those things.
then you're not
But
picky.
a lot of things you adjust for me, you know, which I appreciate a lot. Have to be quiet now. So, guys, holidays are coming.
Already
pre-
started, baby.
Yeah.
December.
Yeah, I know, but are you prepared? The big deal here is New Year's Eve. So everybody's talking about now where they're gonna go for the New Year's Eve. Guess what?
Greece.
I'm gonna be home for New Year's Eve
This is the first time he's gonna be home in 2 years for
with my
Christmas
beautiful love. Give me a kiss, my love. Yeah. And that's gonna be awesome. Well, this was amazing.
It's amazing. Howre, howre.
Alright, baby.
Yam howre.
Yam hore. Somebody asked what does it mean.
Yam howre means delicious in Manipuri. Meiteilon.
Maitela.
Manipur dialect. Shaipanaye means in Danko delicious.
Delicious.
Delicioso. When the camera turned off, I'm gonna bite those things.
Oh, okay. I hope you like our simple meal. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell so you can get all the notifications. Hit that like button if you like it. I'm not gonna say any things. But,
Comment down below, you guys.
Comment down below. Check out our Facebook. Check out our Instagram. Check out our shop. Check out everything, and be good, eh?
And stay happy.
Yes.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody.
See you guys.
See you next time. Have a
Bye.
nice day. She's
Bye.
busy now.
She's looking at the bones. Bye.
Bye, guys. Happy
Bye.
holiday.
Bye. She said bye.
Do it again, honey.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Belitza. Bye, guys.
Well, you don't want to say bye?
No, she doesn't want to say